talk about how can you enable block notifications on your Stayfree app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, so you just go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, just click here on settings here. Then you come to next step here. So then you go down, click here on notifications, click on it. Then you come to this list here. Then all you have to do, so you just come here to block notifications, clicking this sign. So then you click here on OK. Then it's going to take you to next step here. Come here to Stayfree, then click in this sign, then you click on allow. So like you see, it's enabled with us now here. When you go back, you will find here block notifications enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.